Hello, guys. How we doing? Happy Sunday. Hola, Battle Bunny with the first. Let's freaking go. Maddie with the like and the streak. Cinna Sundays. Guys, we're doing some Disney. I'm gonna pause that and actually we'll get right into it. We're going straight to Disney. Happy new moon. Interesting. That why things are feeling off today? No, I'm just joking. Ayo? Hello? Ah! Why does it do this? I have to like refresh. There we go. See? It's fine. Gordo! Gordo with a resub. Let's go. 14 months. 14 months, my friend. How you doing? Be blowy as fuck right now. How was everybody's weekend? Guys, we got Eternity Isle last night. Thank you to a very generous friend.
Over here.
Doing better now? I'm okay. I had a really nice day yesterday. I got to hang out with my cousin. I got my car plug fixed. I got to hang out with my cousin, or sorry, my family, and I had a sleepover with my niece last night. Yeah, we did blood things in more than one way. I worked out today. Worked out, hair wash day. I sound so witchy. I was gonna unmute myself in Discord, but you guys are watching a movie, so I don't want to, you know. But yeah, so I played this for maybe an hour last night. Oh. Balak. That's exactly how you meant it, right? Yeah. Yeah. Dory. I speak whale. Yep. Had to. Hi, Ghost. How we doing? All right, we're helping Remy open his restaurant in Eternity Isle here. Oh, and Scrabble Coin. Honestly, I think Scrabble Coin may be worth, like, the Eternity Isle in itself.
Oh.
All right, happy birthday! Wait. I am actually the worst. I saw... That was today. I saw. Happy birthday, Ghost. Let me... I'm the worst. I saw it and then I forgot to actually like say it. Happy birthday. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Wait, Battle Bunny, when's your birthday? Why isn't it in the Discord? March 1st. Well, happy belated. March folkses.
Oh!
This is
Au
your
revoir.
dream, you know. Only you can help.
That's fun.
Oh, hello. Ha ha!
I love how Marlin hops are Merlin. Nikki, thank you for the follow. How you doing? Welcome in. My alerts are like, looks like they're all misaligned again, and I don't know how. I don't know what's happening. DDB time. You know it, James. You know it. I got Eternity Isle last night. Doing good. Love to hear. Are you a DDBer as well?
Superb!
It looks like there's like they have plans for like a lot.
Subscriber hype.
Gordo! These alerts are pretty hype for Disney. Gordo, thank you for a gifted sub to Nikki. Yes, you do play? Nice. Do you have Eternity Isle? All the realms in the castle. Yeah, that's what I meant, like the docks where like you go to Eternity Isle. There's tons of them.
Alakazam!
Alakazam! Ooh.
Well, run along now.
Okay.
You know, I really like the folks around here.
I'm stuck on yeah, wait, who just flew away? Like I got Eve? I'm stuck on search for forgotten relics around the village and cover the stories behind them. Like an Eternity Isle, or like when you first start? Add gifting, yes, and a search bar, 100%. Yes. Tarkov, hi Psycho, how you doing? Look at Sully practicing.
Gorge, I could use some help.
Hey there!
After you typed it loaded, of course. Forgotten relics around the village and uncover the story behind them. That was so long ago, I don't remember. Hello. Hello. Good. um, fun. Nikki, I use IGN walkthroughs a lot for this game.
Whoa!
It's a website. You just type in like IGN Disney walkthrough. Actually, here, let me. Here. It has walkthroughs for every quest, every recipe, literally everything you need. Everything you need.
Oh.
Dune boppers.
Hmm. See you later.
Oh, there it is. Hi, folks. Well, that's it. Yeah, I said thanks for coming out.
Well, hello. Thank you. You're very kind.
The snail you find through fishing. I found it, by Eve's place. I am also new to Eternity Isle. I literally just got it last night. But I've been playing Disney itself since, July. These things are pretty. I almost don't want to remove them. Yep. I don't even know what this is. Oh, never mind. I do know.
A minute of your time.
Mm-hmm. Someone's just asking about the game, so I was just answering. The heck? DDB. The Bellflower too, I think. If do you have Eternity Isle? Did you buy the DLC? This is not part of like the you do have to do a couple quests in order to get here. Yeah, so you do have to like talk to Merlin, and you have to do a couple different things. But you access it through the castle. There's a portal in the castle. Oh, I could hang with
Yes, me. Somebody's supposed to. A minute of your time? Hey!
Huh? Ah.
I've been playing Paleo all day.
Bye-bye. Hello.
I think so, yeah.
Hey! Whoop. Huh?
25,000. And then the iron one is 50, or no, yeah, it was 50. I haven't needed the iron one yet. I still have plenty of room.
Say, have you seen my pal?
That's because you're a hoarder. No, because you're not selling it. Yeah. Spartacus, how you doing? How was your weekend? I don't even know what I'm planting. What is that? Oh, a yam. That's fun.
Mark me words, a villain and their riches.
I'm gonna need a bigger gem chest. We're working 3 hours? Yeah, get some sleep, man. That's crazy. What is that? Cumin. Oh. I'm doing well. I had a really nice weekend. And COD was just way too spotty today. So we're on here. Yeah, today today was particularly Cyberpunk is your chill game? I should finish Cyberpunk. Yeah, you go into the castle and it's on like the go up the left side and you'll see on the second or third floor. Wow, it's really storming here. Hi Jay. Oh look, there's a green chest up there.
Everyone here is so nice.
Remy!
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
He's gonna love it. You and Tarky?
Oh.
Strawberries.
Hope to see you soon.
We got fish. I need some cumin and strawberries. Okay. I finished it. No. No, I am not. I kind of got a little bit stuck. Got a little bit stuck on it. I have like a couple... I have a couple missions or quests that I need to do, but I can't because I'm not leveled up enough to get to that part. Look at that little monkey. Hey, little guy. Do you want a grape? Oh. No? Okay, well. Fine then. Storyline is up with the best. Yeah, I was really enjoying it, and then I think the new season of COD came out. And that is what I've been playing. I hate Donald. It's so annoying. They did him dirty. They really did him. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I know a couple people that are enjoying playing it. Hello. What is this? Pardon? I am alright. How are you doing? Yeah. We're staying up too late? Hi, Hank. Oh, yeah? Like multi or? Oh, yep, that would be... Oh, yeah, that would be hard to do. I'm on the DDV. COD was very sweaty today. Really? I can't see what I'm doing. Pardon? Yeah. I don't know how I feel about that wording. Good night, Spartacus. Feed hole, I think. I heard feet at first. You hit diamond? Let's go. What am I doing? I'm gonna put that back. I don't wanna start changing anything just yet. I got 2 ranked wins back to back. Let's go. Good job, dude. Ooh. Ooh. You're hungry? Fair. Ooh, look at this snake. No, I have too many games to play right now. It looks pretty cool, though. Hey, look, it's Gaston. What's in here? Ah, whoa! You want to see Woody? I can see if he's here. Gastonia. So thirsty. You giant tankard of water, come over here. Hi, Marcellus. How's everybody doing? You are severely dehydrated. I'm not a tankard, I'm a person. Don't be ridiculous. I'm not imagining things. I've never imagined a thing in my life. Relax, okay? My name's Cinna. I'm here to help you. You're real? Ha, you're real. Wait, I don't need help. You need my help, and I'll only help for water or jewels. That strange Mirage wizard needs a jewel. Watching the Gold Cup final? Is your team doing what you want them to do? I don't know sports. Jewel Gaston, I'm looking for something called a Jewel of Time. Do you know where it is? No, or maybe I can't recall, but I do know the answer lies at the bottom of a cold, refreshing drink. USA leads Brazil. Oh, is that, football? Find the celery? Someone gave me seeds. You have to grow it. It's at Goofy's stall. Gaston, I know you're thirsty and I'm gonna help you with that. But I need your help too. All of eternity, Isle is at stake. You need to snap out of it. Snap? Snap peas? Oh, I'd even eat a vegetable right now. Wow, this is worse than I thought. Can't talk, too parched. I'm wasting away. If only I had some of those green spiky leaves. You know the ones tastier than a cactus and just as full of water? Oh, aloe. I have no idea what you're talking about, Gaston. Fun fact, Gaston is one of Dexter's middle names. Oh, and to finish off the meal... His sides are kind of sussy. One of those flexing spider-like creatures that live in quicksand. And some sweet little brown raisin things. Okay, clearly I need to help you first if I'm to have any hope of finding the Jewel of Time. I'll be back with the food you asked for, just hang on.
Move along. I'm done with you now.
I'm done with you now. Are you the sussy one? What are these? Dexter has 4 names. He is Dexter Gaston Caliente Longclaws. Yep. Yeah, well, he's got a lot of personality, so like one name just wasn't enough, and my friend and I just kind of kept adding on as we found new names that suited him.
Wonder if the shop here stocks my favorite odor.
So like Gaston is because of his ego. Caliente because he is spicy. And Longclaws because he likes to scratch people, so, you know. What kind of tree is that? It's literally like a whole new game. Ooh, aloe. Gaston wanted some of these.
Oh, hello. Ah. Now, see here.
Yes. The DLC.
Off with you now. Lots to do, lots to do.
Yeah, I was sitting there last night and I was just like, I think I'm gonna do it. Kind of at a standstill on Palia. Like I have no quests. Like, I'm stuck on the chef one. So yeah, I mean I could like give gifts and stuff, but
Well, what a day. I could definitely use some shut-eye.
down here. I just went in a circle. What kind of game you thinking? Like which one? Oh yeah. I know a lot of people love that game. I got some caffeine-free diet Pepsi. Gig with the Prime. Is it really only been 10 months? It feels like so much longer. Look at that little capybara. Oh my god. Oh, he's adorable. What does he want? Fine. None of these critters want my food.
Good day, dear. Woo! Woohoo!
Oh, cabbage. That's what they like.
Hello. Woo! Woohoo!
Sorry. Today, a man knocked on my door and asked for a small donation towards a local swimming pool. So I gave him a glass of water.
Hey!
Did you pee in it first? It's gonna happen anyway.
Hey, I think living here is a marvelous opportunity.
Right? Am I wrong? Sometimes you're naive, sometimes you're not. You can, or you change so easily. I want to be like that. No, that doesn't rhyme. Oh, that was the bamboo? Okay. Geeky, thank you so much. Oh, I want to do some scramble coin. Oh, that's where I came from. I keep going back down there. I don't know what these sparkling flowers are. I I was so scared of it all that I just couldn't see the ways she tried to hide the world from me, and though I miss her still, I'm thinking possibly something, something, something. What can my life be now? The Yeti from Monsters, Inc. Look at this guy. I'm stuck. Let me out! Wait, I can pick that up? Cool. Oh, the yellow snow cones.
Good day to you. Woohoo! Time to make. I think living here is a marvelous opportunity.
The robot fish is in the orange or red rings. In the landing, Ancient's Landing. Look at the green chest. Wait, how do I get there? Oh, you teases. But I feel like Rapunzel's up here. I can when I go back down there. I'm kind of like on the other side of the map right now. It's like when you first come to Eternity Isle. I wonder what these cute little flowers are. Ooh. Look, it is her! Hello. Oh wow. You're not a jungle friend. You're a person.
Hello.
I mean, hello. Hi there. Are you lost?
Oh.
Me? Oh no, I know my way around here pretty well, but you're new.
Huh?
I haven't seen another person in this jungle since, well, since it became a jungle. Wow, okay, what's a jungle friend? Oh, jungle friends are what I call the animals here, the ones trotting around on all fours. They have fuzzy snouts, the sweetest ears, and come in all sorts of different colors. Oh, you must mean the capybaras. Capybaras? Is that what they're called? That's amazing, and it's amazing that you're here too. It's nice to meet you. I'm Cinna.
You're here.
I am, but yeah, what's up? Oh, okay. It's happened! Ooh. That was cute. I like how she used that ivy, the wallpaper. Oh, I like that. What is that cabinet? That's a dragon tide, isn't it? That bookshelf, yeah. Mm. Yes, I think you're right. Yeah. That's very cool. Mm-hmm. That's very cute. Mm-hmm. Ooh, the hot tub? Oh, I like that wallpaper. Oh, I like that. I like how she put those on the end. Oh, that's cute. Can you play starred plants? I don't know. plans. I don't. Gig, are you asking about Disney or Paleo? I don't know. Like in the like how she had it in the bathtub? Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, that looks cute. Yeah, that's what I thought they were too. That's cute. I like that Paltex shelving. It looks nice. Wow. It's a sprawling estate. That's very cute. You're so walking around. Sorry, there's someone on Palia that has this really nice house, and we keep missing it. All right, it's nice to meet you, Senna. My name's Rapunzel. So it wasn't always a jungle? No, it used to be just sand and ruins. You could see all the way to the mainland from the tower where I lived. Then one day, I woke up and there was a jungle outside. The tower was suddenly really old and crumbling, and Mother didn't visit. You mean Mother Gothel? She used to visit you here?
Aw.
Almost every day. When she stopped, I got so worried.
Aw.
I left the tower to go look for her, and I've been exploring this amazing jungle ever since. Who was the last person you saw? Well, I met a man on the desert half of the isle. He's big, with my friend Attila, and he talked about himself a lot. Oh, that's Gaston.
Uh-huh.
I asked him if the valley is dangerous like Mother always warned me, but he said the mainland is so not dangerous, it's boring. I knew that meant Mother wasn't being honest with me again. It's happened before. Then I came back here to the jungle to think about things. I wonder if you can help me. I'm looking for a jewel of time. Shiny, magical, vital to keeping Eternity Isle from imminent destruction.
Aw.
Eternity Isle's in trouble, but the capybaras live here. I'm going to stop it, but I need the jewel to do that. I looked all over this jungle for my missing paints, and I found lots of beautiful rocks, but not any magical ones before today. See those gray floating rocks? I can't get past them to search beyond this ancient door. The rocks seem pretty magical. Are they what you're looking for? No, but this might be my answer. That would be amazing if both our answers were just one door away. There's only one way to find out. I'll clear these gray floating rocks so we can get a closer look.
Bye.
How do I do that? I love the sun. I love the wind singing with the leaves. I love the laughing of the water. I love dancing in the streams. Ooh, olives? I don't want to go that way. I feel like I'm supposed to be able to find this cumin. Hi, Journey. Is this cumin supposed to be on the ground? What are these? What am I picking up? Mysterious flower. Those are definitely Rapunzel's. Wait, there was one of the one of these time bending balls around here. Okay. Hi, Mike.
Well,
Mike
what a day.
Wazowski.
I could definitely use some shut-eye.
Wait, where am I going? Where did I come from? What did you pick up off the ground? It looks like a piece of a sphere, and it's made of the same golden material as that sun in the door, right? I think it's supposed to be the core of the sun, but it's missing pieces. I bet if we found them and put them together, the door would open for us. This is so exciting. My paints are behind this door. I just know it. You really think your paints will be there? Who would hide them here? I think it was Mother.
Aw.
I used to see lights on the mainland from my window every night, so I painted them on a mural on my wall. Those lights had to be from the villagers' houses, but then Mother got angry. She said I was ungrateful for what I had, took my paints away and hid them somewhere. We'll find your paints and the Jewel of Time. I can feel it. We're on the right track. Oh, maybe you could search for pieces of the sun core inside more of the floating rocks around the isle. I saw some on the plains and at the docks this morning. You could start looking there.
I just love talking to you.
Everyone here is so nice! Frankly, I find it a little disconcerting.
And a little disconcerting. Okay, not yet. Not gonna lie, I don't know where I am. How do I get out of here? Oh. I was literally right by the exit. Oh, there, and that was, there's that thing I was talking about. Roar.
Oh, greetings, neighbor.
You guys can see the kids right now.
Hey!
Good thing I have a bunch of money saved up.
A villain and their riches are soon parted.
Really like the folks around.
Time to make some money.
Gotta check Scrooge's shop too.
Woohoo!
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try doing this thingy over here. I have a feeling these things are gonna piss me off though. Uh-oh. Running out of energy. Do I not have any gooseberries? Where's my crafting station? Do I have one? I have one in my pocket. I'm gonna go all the way back. Like, how am I so lost? Ooh. Eli! Did you do any golfing? Hello? This is so beautiful. And look down there. Doesn't that look like a clock to you? Or a really big sundial. Right, yes, a sundial. Oh, but what's that on the ground next to it? Looks like another sun core. Not sure what this place is, but I can feel some powerful magic close by. Let's have a look at that sun core. I did yesterday, won the match play. No, I don't think so. There's a handful I think I don't have. New ticket sound just like a clock. A clock that's missing a few parts. I think we have to repair the sundial mechanism in the center to get to the far island. Looks like someone has pulled out the gears. That's strange. I've seen some golden gears floating around the isle. Maybe that's what we need to repair the sundial. It's worth a try. I'll search the isle for sundial gears.
Goodbye. Come back and talk.
Came down to the last hole in his list. Dang. What the heck?
Running a place like this has got to be a 24/7 job. I feel for you, pal.
He shot 10 over his normal handicap, and I shot 5 over and really only had 1 blow up hole.
I give this village 5 stars.
Remy, we gotta hang out. Let's hang out. Wait, do you want to play Scramble Coin? What level are you? Level 1. Let's go. Alright. Okay, please bear with me. I am new to this game, okay? I'm still learning. Still learning how to play this. Right. I like Cogsworth. Goofy is definitely... they both have 3. They go... let's use mini... Yeah, Scramble Coin. Okay. He has a lot. He has every... Well, he's using Donald. Wait. I can't place him there? That sucks. I need to improve my drives, because that was your problem. Like distance or, or like slicing. Not much Mickey can do over here. I was kicking. I mean, I guess I'm still kind of kicking their ass. Victory! Let's go. Who did I get now? Ooh, Nala. Nice. Let's go. Winner, winner, poutine dinner. Mm-hmm. What just went zooming past me? Where are you?
Time to make some money.
Wait, come back. Which way did that thing go? You're so Canadian. Hey Goofy, you wanna do some scramble coin? What level are you? Are you gonna kick my ass?
Just come see me.
Level 1. Okay, let's go. Right, Cogsworth, Goofy. What does Nala do? Ooh. Jump. Move directly to the target tile. Nala sounds like a great addition. Alright, let's give her a shot. Wait, how is Goofy using all Goofies? That sounds like cheating. Ow. Mother trucker. Well. Wait. Oh, I have to move. Okay. Gig, do you see this? Goofy's cheating for sure. Oh, I'm playing Scramble Coin. He's just hopping all over the board wherever he pleases. I kind of want to put Goofy on. Yep. Balls, I can't get there. Dang. I'll sit here. Hi, Moors. Yeah, Goofy's cheating and he's using all of the same figurine that can literally jump anywhere on the map that he wants. It's actual bullshit. Love that for you. Let's go! I won. Actually really like this game. Yeah, he's not a very good cheater. Love that for you. Yep, that's what I've been using. Just toss it in there. Is to do what? Oh, weird. Pick up the, it's a quest. All of the steps were quests. It kind of walks you through it. That was a quest with Jafar. With the little snakes. All little snakies. Wait. You should be able to talk to him at the, one of the hologram tables. One of these thingies. That's how you talk to Jafar.
Oh, greetings, neighbor. Ma
I saw one floating down here. Yep. Hey, come here. Oh. Oh yeah, Remy is my planting buddy. All right. Hi, Mystique. You know what? I'm actually really enjoying it. I am very much enjoying it. You just started playing after beating the main storyline? Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. Hang on. I'm gonna make one of these. Yeah, the little capybara. It's so cute. Okay. And then I'm gonna make a white one. Alright, I got the large white chest and the large red chest. Running out of space. Yeah, so that's literally what I'm doing right now is I kind of want to keep everything separate. I want to keep Eternity Isle stuff separate from... What is that? Softwood? Oh yeah, that's from pumpkins. Get on the pumpkins, Mystique. Yeah, that's 100% from harvesting the pumpkins. Gear. They are in the Forgotten Lands. I guess I can put the dates in. Don't need those. Yeah, yeah, literally. And then when you harvest them, bring one of your gardening buddies with you, and you'll get like almost double. New routine starts tomorrow. Yo, good night, Eli. Love you, buddy. Nope. You have to turn it on. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Yes, I should be able to next Saturday. Yeah, I would start, like, if you need to stockpile the money at the beginning, I would do, like, maybe 100. You don't need to go, like, too crazy, but after a couple days of doing the 100, I now do, like, 50 or 60, I think. I don't do nearly as much. I'm just organizing my gems here. I want to take this medium box. I definitely don't need that many onyxes. Don't need that many of those either. And these will be my Eternity Isle boxes. I want to keep like my materials, like this kind of stuff in the other. Like, what was I doing? Alright. I'm gonna keep all of the gems together, because I don't think there's gonna be that many new ones. I'm gonna run to the bathroom, guys. I will be right back.
I think I'm gonna sleep well tonight.
just so you know, I've got some new goods at the store.
I definitely found some ice cream. Mm.
Do they have TV here? Because I am great on TV.
You had an ice cream bar? Mm. Mm. That's too bad. Holy cow. I don't like how they did the I don't like how they did these. Honestly, a lot of the tasks, you get only 5? And they made so many of these things expensive. You did not. You've succumbed to the Hey. You've succumbed to the controller gang? Didn't you like just recently switch to mouse and key? Really? See, I play basically every game except...
Use a few labs. All right.
I play every game except COD on keyboard and mouse now.
Magic? Is that a thing?
Did you switch like when all the other boys switched? Guys, sorry, when all the guys. Alright, do I know where I'm going? Nope.
This place. Yeah.
Oh, I do. Yeah, I thought, yeah, that's what I thought. I knew that. I did know that. Oh, wait. Where's Rapunzel? Mike, where's Rapunzel? Oh. Happy accident.
Huh?
The cinnamon bun ones are really good. Mm. Right?
Bye.
I had to try them.
Goodbye. Come back and talk soon.
Oh. I just found this diary entry that mentions Mother Gothel. I think she was here. She must still be here. I just heard her laughing. You think she's close by? I can feel a lot of magic in this place. I don't think that was Mother Gothel. Maybe some sort of echo of her, like she was here a long time ago. Oh.
Oh.
Don't worry, I can protect you. That's really kind of you, but I've learned I can protect myself. I don't know what I'll say to her when I see her again. Because she lied to you? Yes. You know, it's okay to be upset with her, right? I know. I just want to focus on our missing things, if that's alright. Okay, but it seems like we should talk about it sooner or later. For now, let's review. We have a diary page that says Mother Gothel wanted the Jewel of Time. There was an echo of her voice, and the Jewel of Time is missing from its statue.
Oh.
You don't think Mother Gothel took the Jewel of Time? Huh. Now that I think about it, she is very interested in magic and time.
Huh.
Mother has a chest of belongings in the tower for safekeeping. She made me promise never to look inside. That must be where the Jewel of Time is hidden. All the clues line up. But do you really think she'd... We have to check the tower, Rapunzel. Eternity Isle is counting on us. Let's go. Okay, I'll meet you there.
Day
Yes, Mother Gothel is a horrible person.
Thank you.
Ice cream? It's like chocolate covered caramel clusters.
Huh? Goodbye.
Mm.
Hold a dash.
Yeah, I think I'd rather... I'd rather unlock these guys. Although the Tangle's very cool. Hmm. You're like on a 4 streak? Yeah, there were a couple days there that I got bamboozled last or like the week before. Um hmm. I don't know if I should get
Oh! How marvelous!
It's right there.
Oh! What I do?
Damn it, Merlin. Dang, I can't get it. Also, hi, C's.
Ah.
We'll have to find another way to save the isle. Let's get away from this place, okay? Why are you so afraid?
Uh-huh.
I should have told you the first time we heard the echo of Mother's voice. I think the tower is cursed. Tower is cursed? Since when? Since, I'm not sure. Sometimes I see a shadow of Mother in the window staring down at me. She always looks so disappointed. I'm sure it's a magical echo. An echo of what? What if it's something dark, something dangerous? It's been a lurky night? That's okay, dude. I hope you're doing well. We definitely miss having you around as much as you were before, but you know what? I get it, you know? Appreciate you being here at all. Maybe what you saw was a combination of the Jewel of Time's power and your feelings about Mother Gothel. I might need your help to stop it, whatever it is. Alright, okay, yes, if you need me, I'm here. Great. So how do we get up there? Well, Mother once told me a story about a boy who grew a huge beanstalk to reach a giant in the clouds, but because he disobeyed his mother to buy the magic rings, the giant gobbled him up. That's not how it goes. I'll get my friend Mickey to tell you the real version sometime, but I do like the growing and climbing idea. I've seen some pretty strong vines growing on the plains in the glittering dunes. Maybe we could get some seeds and grow vines here to climb the tower? Oh, but the vines won't be tall enough for a really long time. I've got an idea. We have my hourglass. If I find a few vine seeds in the oasis, I can plant them here and speed things up. We'll be climbing the tower in no time. Literally. Okay, if you're sure. Maybe you can find some vine seeds in the oasis. I'll stay here and watch the tower window, just in case.
Bye.
Oh yeah, this place has got to be lamp.
Dig up vine seeds on the plains. Where's the oasis? You can change your working stuff. Get a normal stone. You know what? Take as much time as you need. But also, you know, if you need a friend, you know I'm here. Where am I? Okay. I like pulling out every single tool except the one I need. Eva.
For tonight's late night snack, I'm thinking Roper and Fig.
Agave. I just got like so turned around.
Running a place like this has got to be a 24/7 job.
Return to Rapunzel's tower. Remove the swirling sands. What? How do I do that? I can't. Did you hear that, Senna? I just heard Mother's voice again, and like these strange rocks just appeared. I heard her voice too. Just remember, it's not really her, it's some kind of magic. Right, okay. I will try not to worry about that. Did you find the vine seeds? I did. That's fantastic. While you were gone, I cleared a spot for each vine. All you have to do is plant them. Once I put them down, my hourglass can take care of the rest. We'll have instant vines. Are you ready? No? Yes? Yes, this is what we have to do.
Goodbye.
Whoa.
Huh?
What happened? I promise it wasn't a mess like this when I left. It must be more of the Jewel of Time's power. It has to be here. I can feel it. I'll clear some of this mess away. We have to get to the chest as quickly as we can before this gets worse.
Bye.
I worry about Rapunzel. Gotha acts like a good mother, but she's so controlling. I think Rapunzel needs space to become her own person. At the very least, sometime out of the tower.
Oh.
Hi, Kenny. How you doing? I'm doing good. Is that its mother but made of sand? Rapunzel, let down your hair. No, no, I can't do this. Rapunzel, stop mumbling, dear. You know how I hate the mumbling. Rapunzel, I think you have to talk to it. Tell it to go away. Tell it how you feel. Why? Why does it matter how I feel?
Oh.
You must promise me that you will never ask to leave this tower again. Just be honest. You have to tell yourself the truth. Nothing will ever be fixed unless you're honest with yourself first. You're right. It's too dangerous out there, dear. Mother knows best, isn't that right? Mother, you scared me when you disappeared. You told me the valley was an awful place. That isn't true. And
Oh.
that hurt me. Wow, it felt really good to say that. It's working, Rapunzel. Look. Ha.
Goodbye.
With both feet on the ground, the tower looks so tall. How did being so up high make me feel so small? Like how Mike's just chilling in here with us.
Oh.
That strange sand version of Mother disappeared. I can't believe we did that. I can't believe I said those things. You are amazing. I got to see the fam yesterday. We had a bunch of we have a bunch of birthdays next week. So we just did like a multi thing. So are you. I couldn't have done that without you. And wait, look, there's something on the floor in the sand.
Bye. I just
My
love
P.T.
talking
Frowman.
to
I
you.
can't believe they were here the whole time. Thank you, son. I feel like I found an old friend and made a new one. I would say anytime, but I kind of have to go save the isle now. Of course. Go. I'll see you soon. Good luck. Alright, Mike, let's go.
I love looking up at the stars.
Hello.
No.
Ah. Bah. Ow.
Alright, let's see what we have for quests here. Copper, dig up pearls, mine quartz. Let's finish this, I suppose. Where do I find cumin? Mo. What? Hello. Good night. No. Yeah. Where's my home? Wait. Mo. 6,000. That seems like a ripoff. That's a very small. Cinnamon. One for Mrs. E. Hello. How you doing? A red pitcher plant. Needed agave. Don't need those. Definitely put that backwards. I'm doing well. I just started playing Eternity Isle last night. I've had the Disney since July. Excuse me. But yeah, I'm very much enjoying this right now. I don't know where to find cumin. Honestly, it's really fun having it's really fun having stuff to do again. I haven't done quests. Well, I mean, I guess we just got Mike and Sully, and I'm still kind of working on them. But yeah, like the whole experiencing, like the new map again and unlocking it. It's been fun. It's been really fun. Hey, thank you for the follow. Thank you for that. Like nonstop for a week. Yeah, I've been playing Palia for maybe the last 2 months ish. And I'm kind of running out of quests on that, and so the last 2 days I've been getting kind of bored of it. So last night I decided I wanted I wanted to play some Eternity Isle. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, the cumin is those little flowers. Okay, these. Huh. I never would have guessed that was cumin. Why am I... Weird. Alright, we got cumin. I need strawberries.
Remember, time is money.
I can't clear these ones yet. Where's this thing taking me? I will say also that the hourglass is more intuitive than I thought. Like when I was watching people play it before, I'm like, how do they know where they're going? Oh, I need to look at Scrooge's shop. Cumin? Get some sleep. 6 for workout? Yo, enjoy. Have a good workout. Sweet dreams. Have a good day tomorrow. Oh, can't do that. I'm still like, it's boggling my mind that that's cumin. I had no idea. Well, I guess I could fish. think I prefer Disney. Yeah, the little Cappy. He's so cute. I think I prefer Disney on the big screen like this. They're all up in the Wild Tangle. I love guinea pigs. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I have had 2 guinea pigs as pets in my life. One was when I was a teenager, and he had a horrible, horrible death. I'm so glad I was not home for that. And then when, as an adult, I got a little piggy, and she lived until she was 8, and she went peacefully in old age. But I love guineas. I love guinea pigs so much. And if I had the room for a cage, I probably would get another one. Oh my god. Holy cow. Yeah. Yeah, that was a big octopus. Hi Greg, how you doing? Yeah, she cuz their average lifespan, oh, what are these? Oh. Hi Burr, how we doing? How we doing? Yeah, she oh no, I had the boys. I had the kitties when I had her yet. I had her before Dex. Yes, you did, right? You and all your buddies have matching cappies. Not bad. Feel like I got hit by a truck, Greg. No. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. I'm doing well. I'm really enjoying the DLC. Your 3 friends. I love it so much. Yeah, she lived a long and healthy life. So
I can't wait to explore.
do you have naturally textured hair?
Hello.
Because I could definitely, I didn't know I had curly hair. I didn't know I had curly hair until 4 or 5 years ago. Oh. Yeah, no, I didn't know I had curly hair. I thought it was just frizzy and stupid.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's, curly hair is a science. It's taken a lot of trial and error. Where was Shay Remy again? I'm getting so lost in Eternity Isle. Today was also wash day, which is why it's, it looks wet, but it is mostly dry. It's just my moose It's just my styler. So I sleep with it in a silk scarf, and then in the morning I kind of scrunch the crunch out. Yep. Mm-hmm. Exactly.
Oh, greetings, neighbor. Whoa! Woohoo! Remember, time is money.
Remy, where are you, bro? Are you inside? Where is my little rat friend? Where am I going? Right? It's adorable. I almost didn't buy it. Where's Remy?
Can't wait to explore.
Bonjour.
I log in every day generally to get the blue chest
Great job.
and the green chest. I do also want to do this one. Mine copper, dig up pearls. I'm gonna be honest, I don't. I may actually go home to the main one. Just to check out. Deal my background hanging lights, Gordo, thank you. I had them on my wish list and they were actually a gift from Gig. But yeah, you can they have different like settings. Oh, that's a little. Thanks. Yeah. I honestly I use them. I don't even use my lamp anymore. I use these all the time. I love them. So shiny. Mm. I like lights. I have a box of Christmas lights I haven't even used here, but the ones that I had before these, I have them now in my bedroom. I have them like kind of hanging up. Oh, this guys, I'm so happy with redoing. Oh, look, it's Eve. We redid the plaza last weekend. I love it so much. I have seen people using the bordered asphalt. I know you guys say in the US.
Good day, dear. Hey! Hello.
Yeah, it does.
Whoa!
These ones are clear. You can buy they had like the multicolored ones. And And the ones that I have, do I have this bed already? Hello? Yeah, I do apparently. The ones I have in my room, I can have white, but they can be like every color too. They were the ones I had on my Christmas tree.
Whoa!
And then my mom
Huh?
bought me this 2-pack of Christmas lights for Christmas. So I need to replace the lights I have on my balcony because they burnt out. So one string's gonna be for that, and then the other one probably for my Christmas tree.
Whoa! Hey!
Ooh,
Hello.
well that's cool.
Whoa! Woohoo!
Everyone here has a dream, just like me.
The capital chic. Jeez, get a right gig. How do I... Oh. Okay, this might crash my game. I've heard a lot of... Okay. Oh, okay. I've heard a lot of people saying that they were having issues. Wait, what's quartz? What does it look like? Why does it say I have 2? Oh. Okay. Good night. Copper, pearls. I think I had some copper in here. Mike, you... I should grab Sully, because Sully's actually my, Sully is my mining buddy. Roar!
Hey there!
Hey there! Oh, hey, you want to play some Scramble Coin? Oh. Dang it. Oh, well, I already played him. Dang. Dang it. What can Lumiere do? Oh. Oh, she jumps. Oh. Not what I wanted to do, but okay. That Gaston is a cheater, dude. No! Ugh, they're gonna win. You going to bed? Okay. Good night. Alright, I need copper, quartz, and pearls. Yeah, that double jump is a cheat, man. Yeah, he literally has no no limit. He just goes until like the end of the row. My hand hurts from the screwdriver. I put Ava's vanity together last night. Yeah, with like a shitty manual screwdriver and like the palm where I was like pushing on the screwdriver like to get it to feed into the wood. Yeah. Not good. What? Oh, hang on. Hi, Geeky. Yeah. Hello, guys. How we doing? Geeky, thank you for the raid. You lovely. How was your stream? What were you doing? I'm back. You said I've been muted? What were you saying before I got raided? Oh. Oh, yeah.
Everyone here has a dream. Just like me.
It's like when you go golfing for the first time in a long time. Getting some Disney things done? Nice. Do you have Eternity Isle as well? I just got it last night. DDV pearls. I don't know where to. Oh. Ow. The Ancient Landing. Oh. Okay. Need to go back to where we just came from. What'd you say? Mm-hmm.
It's raining. Wonder where my rain boots are.
I was gonna ask if it was through work or... That'd be fun.
Everything's one big
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I got a new path. Chicken noodle soup is the magic medicine. My friend makes the best chicken noodle soup, and because I'm vegetarian, I don't get to enjoy it anymore. And I will say that's one of the very few things I miss about eating meat, is Amanda's famous chicken noodle soup. Well, this is gonna take forever. I need pearls, yeah. Hoi hit. You sweat out last night. Aw, dude, I'm sorry you're not feeling well. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that. Also Gatorade. Oh, that was 3 in a row. That was nice. Like, it's COVID? Oh, dude. Honestly, I feel like colds in general, because yeah, last week when I was feeling like garbage, I did do a COVID test and it wasn't. I think everything's just morphing into super colds. Uh-huh. Yeah. Third time's a charm? I've had it once for sure, and that was when I went to Vegas, and that was like the fastest positive I've ever seen in my life. Hi, Purple Otter. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Thank you, thank you. Those down there. Oh, wait. I was gonna sell those. Hi, Toxic. Doing? I'm really enjoying it. I'm very much enjoying it. Just need a couple more pearls here. Well, that's nice. It's giving me 3 at a time. Some of them. Leveling Sully up anyway, so not a big deal. Haha, let's go. What is the biggest rug I have? I think it's this one. Yep. A little Disney hack. Scrooge! Where are you, man? Hello.
A minute of your time?
Really new to the game. Do you have all of the biomes unlocked? Pumpkins are definitely like the money. I have like 9 million coins thanks to pumpkins in the Forgotten Lands.
Hey. Bye-bye.
Until you get pumpkins, apparently okra is also a good way. But other than that, if you're like just starting out, or the frozen one, otherwise, mining and selling all of your gems. Mining and selling all of your gems is a good way. Damn right, it's free of charge. Right? I mean, I have the money, but still.
Oh.
My best employee and my best customer. Yeah, I spent a lot of money there, dude. Ooh. 1,000
This will
coins, thank
sell
you.
like hotcakes.
How generous of you. Sweet brown raisin things? A flexing spider-like thing. What? Oh, wait. Scrooge, did we play Scramble Coin? Where did you go? You know what? I guess I could go, I could probably go and look for mist in the my main. Oh, what was that? Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Oh wait, oh, tools. Does it automatically? What? There's no nefarious. Alright, well I guess I'll use the rose one. Lame. The hourglass? Mm-hmm. No more treasure. They must have fixed... Oh. They must have fixed this, because I know lots of people were complaining. That fast traveling was crashing their game. Pardon? Yep. Yeah. No, but I mean, Lauren was even playing on her computer and was experiencing. That was weird.
If Elf is here, then I'm here. What kind of a... Hi.
No, I don't want to talk to you. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. You're level 3 scramble coin. You're also gonna kick my ass, so no thank you. No, ma'am. Oh. Man, that's a bad area to have one of these things here. Got so much crap everywhere. Ah! I'm stuck. Sully, move. Oh, hey, what's up, Jack? You're level 3? No.
I must go. There's work to be done.
I'm good. Hi, Minnie. Wait,
Everyone here is
what level
so
are you?
nice.
Level 2? Should I try? What level am I? I don't even know what level I am.
Remember, I love you.
Like, even these level 1s are cheating with their moves, though. Honestly, today I just, I was in Eternity Isle the whole time. And then I remembered that you can go and do this crap around here. But yeah, today I was just working on unlocking the stuff in Eternity Isle.
I hope Max is doing okay without me.
No more treasure. That is what you are. My favorite area? Maybe the wild? I think I only unlocked like 2.
Meeting someone like you gives me hope.
It's definitely fun, like, having stuff to work on again now. No more treasure. Alright, let's do this thingy. This is another really bad area or spot to have this thing because I have all my bushes in the way. Sully, move! No! Oh, balls. Well,
Do they have TV here? Because I am great on TV.
we do have an ATV, Mike. I don't know about, cable. Noise. I think that part might definitely be easier on controller. What's the flexing spider-like thing? No. No, well, I mean, I have grapes, but I don't think that counted. Oh, okay. Okay. I did have some dates in my pocket, and then I took them out. The perfect date. Need a light jacket. Was that Miss Congeniality?
And he's alive.
I honestly think I've only watched the first one. Hi, Hip Hop. How's the whiteboard? How's the whiteboard going today? Nope, I didn't want to pick that one up. I'm kind of upsetty, Spaghetti, that they don't have the Nefarious skin for this one. Yeah, I think it came out before Eternity Isle did. So that's why, like, my Bell set has it.
How's it going?
What is that? A dream mango. Almost looks like a Wumpa fruit.
Oh, works for me.
Where's my friend Mike? Mike Wazowski?
There's a beach. Oh, I just love that low tide stench. Hey there.
That low tide
Ooh.
stench.
Huh.
Let's hang out.
How you
Let's
doing?
also do some scramble coin. Did we?
Yay.
Don't think we did this yet today. Alright. Oh shit. Whatever. Go lay back down. Greg, I hope you're feeling better, dude. Oh. Definitely not what I thought she was gonna do. I'm doing really bad this match. I feel like I should have replaced Nala. It's gonna be hard to come back from this one. Yeah. Hi, cat. Yeah, I messed up because I forgot that Nala doesn't like slide to collect. She just collects on whatever square she's landing on. Like, Nala literally can't do anything. She's not collecting anything. Fuck, I should have changed that one. That's a crash, but chilling in the shadows. Yo, thank you. Fuck. What does he do? Move directly to the target tile, ignoring anything in between. Alright, let's try him out. I like Nala too. Goofy. Borders, borders, corners, borders. Alright. Let's try these guys out. What does he do? 2 and then 2? Now that I know how she works. Should replace her. She can't really do anything. Okay, we have a good start. He gets 1 and then 2. Okay.
What?
I lost my first match though. What about you?
Mm-hmm.
Should I give her a try? She's level 2. And I need to sit with my back massager before I go to bed. It's not.
Well,
Alright. Oh, there's Forky! Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he can literally... Oh, he can only be used once. Okay. Wait. I did not realize you could move that. What does he do? No, I thought he was gonna slide. I feel like Cogsworth isn't really doing much of anything right now. No, he jumped, didn't he? Oh, Cogsworth, yeah. Yes, you're right. Motherfuck. Instructions unclear. No, it's gonna cost me the game. And this is his last turn. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm gonna find one more person to do scrambled coin.
Oh, you're just the sweetest. Goodbye. Remember, I love you.
Hi.
Ah. Empty my pockets. Wait. Okay. Thank you. What did I just learn? I have no idea. Conch ceviche. Alright. Oh, it's foggy. Mike, I thought we were hanging out. Where'd you
This
go?
place is the cat's pajamas.
Oh, he's sleeping. Hey, Woody. Come here, partner. Oh, whoops. Nope, didn't want to do that. Wait, Woody, come back. Stop being a toy. Come here.
Hey, howdy, hey.
I'll try him. We'll try Mickey. Look at the little Wally. Yo! Marshmallow Zebra! Hello, welcome in, guys. How we doing? I am, I'm new to Scramble Coin. So we're learning. We are learning right now. Doing some Disney. What were you working on today? What am I doing? Doing awesome. Love to hear that. Welcome in. All right. What am I doing? Okay. Cogsworth can go here and here. Mickey can't do anything. Can I? You can do. You're doing Star Path? Nice. Hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Wonder if she can fudge. Well, he can at least get all of those. Messenger here. She's not really doing much of anything, but that's okay. How far are you? Have you noticed? I will say on this one, it seems like the duties are where you get way less whatever the stuff is, and like the good things are a lot of those. I feel like they made it a lot harder this time. I think I'm gonna get Goofy. What can he do? Nothing. Canisters. Yeah, like it's, I feel like it's taking a long time. Put Mickey here. He also can't get anything. Cogsworth, buddy, you're kind of useless right now. I really need to clean up on this next one. Yeah. Oh, it's just out of reach. Damn, I thought Goofy was gonna be able to go for that for sure. Damn. Wow. Okay. Hi, Rudy. I mean, they could have replaced some of their their pieces, I feel like. All right. Well, we did just get a raid, so I will maybe go find one more person for some scramble coin. Yes, hello, Rudy. What's up, buddy? What level are you?
Ooh, today could be a perfect picnic
Oh,
day.
she's level 3. No, thank you.
Remember, I believe in you.
It's gonna be no for me, dog. Kristoff is sleeping. I'm gonna go find some people over here. Wally? He's in his house. Hey, little dude. Alright, let's do this. I'll try. Yeah, I have a couple I can place anywhere on the border. Okay. Why? He just plays all Gastons? Just so dumb. Good night, Hank. Okay, so he can do at least something. So maybe leather fudge. She gets 8? Yikes. How didn't I? Fuck, I keep forgetting he's not a slider. You son of a bitch. Because wait, she can't really do anything right now. Fuck, I keep forgetting he's a jumper! I'm an idiot. I'm so bad at this game. I'm sure it's oh, wow. I did not think I was going to win that one. Nice. All right. GG's, Wally. All right. Not gonna lie, I feel like the scramble coin is kind of like the hot pot. It's like a nice little like kind of break. A game in the game. Kind of hungry. Hi, Mr. Rudy. Why does my Twitch keep doing this? I'll like scroll up and like my like people I'm following, and then it jumps back down to the bottom, so I have to scroll up every single time. No. Or it just did it again. Oh. So carrying on the cozy vibes, I think we're gonna go raid someone playing Palia. I don't really want to throw you guys at someone playing Warzone. Not this dude. Man, I miss Twitch Turbo so bad. Yeah. Kitty. I got two. Oh, there you go. Caught. Caught in the act. I give him some treats. Where are the treats? Yeah. This one is Rudy, and that is Dexter. Come up. Come on. Nope, Rudy, come. Come on. Dex is like, yeah, I'll eat it. Binks, you got 6. I want more. They're both on like special diet food. Nice. Oh. There you go. Oh, that's Rudy's too, I guess. The Lord Falconus. My alerts are all messed up right now. Good boy. Thank you. That's okay, thank you. Aw, yeah, Dexter likes sleeping under blankets and stuff. Yeah. He burrows himself under them. Twitch is Twitch? I'm tired. But yeah, Dexter, the little black one, is 14, and then the little tuxedo little is 12. Rudy, what are you doing? You handsome boy. Alright, I think I found somebody else. Hi, hip hop. What's up? Wait. What do you mean? What do you mean? We were just like randomly talking. Were they answering you? Oh man, that's funny. That's so funny. Oh man, I love it. No, that's not right. I'm enjoying it a lot. Thank you. We're gonna go raid Yoni fans. I think Lauren raided him the other day. He was playing Warzone. He is playing the Supermarket Simulator. Yo, Marshmallow, thank you again for the raid. I seriously appreciate that. Actually, here, let me give you a follow as well. Very nice to meet you. Thank you for bringing your people over here. Thank you for hanging out. Let's go say hi to Yoni. And, good night, Gordo. Have a good sleep, everybody. Have a good Monday. Stay safe, and I will see you guys on Wednesday, okay? Good night.